Hey friends, in this video we're going to start sets, and in this particular video we are going to introduce what is set. So set is a well-defined collection of objects. Before going to the more details of what is well-defined collection of objects and more specifically what is the meaning of the word well-defined, let's see how we can denote set. So set can be denoted by any capital letters. You can denote it by capital A or capital B, capital X, capital Y, or any one you can choose. Now in here we have something known as elements. So elements is the objects in the set are called elements. Exactly, the objects. As we know, the set is a collection of objects, and the objects that are inside the sets is known as elements. It can be denoted by small a, small b, small x, small y, small p, etc. Anything that is actually the lower case letters, maybe lowercase alphabets rather. Now let's go on and see what is well defined. So well defined means, let's go and make it clear by using an example. What do you mean by well defined collection of objects? So well defined is something like this. Let's say the vowels in an English alphabet. The vowels in the English alphabet. So we have A, we have A, E, I, O, U. They are definite. Now except A, E, I, O, U, we don't have any vowels. So we can say they are well defined. So it is a set, right? Now all natural numbers less than 7, it is also well defined because we are defining it very much precisely. All natural numbers less than 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and not and 7 is not included. So 1 to 6 are all the natural numbers that are less than 7. So it is also very much well defined. And similarly we have one more example, something like this: all prime numbers less than 20. So we have 2, we have 3, we have 5, and we can go on till I think 19. Yeah, we can go all till 19. So these are some of the sets or examples of sets. So which type of things we can say they are as not a set? You can say something like this, like a honest person. We cannot have a set of honest persons because it is not well defined, right? It is not well defined. So honest person is not a well defined set, not well defined. So it cannot be a set, right? Similarly we have let's say good players. Good players. So a player can be good in some point of time and can be bad in some another point of time. So we cannot say in a very definite manner that it is a well defined thing. So good players is also a not a well defined actually, so it is not a set. Similarly we have a lot of them, something like rich person. We can have old people, young people, beautiful person. We have lot of them. So these things that we have over here are not sets. That is, we cannot define it, so they are not well defined. So this point is to be there. This point is very important because we are very much confused with the things that are not a set. So I think I hope you got the point and you're clear with what is set and what is not, and how we can say that a particular set is a set or not, or it is not a set. If you have any doubt, then comment down below, and thanks for watching.